individual wanting to have your own idea pursued, you apply for a startup grant fund. Second, if you're like coming from the university, you have this good idea, it was researched with your professor, you want to spin it out as part of a business or your own company, pwede rin po yun, we call it a spin-offing. We provide also support for that kind of grant, no? Startup, spin-off. And then of course, we're part of government, so we're also bound to comment, make suggestions, no? Make recommendations on key national issues, particularly for the sectors which we support, no? Mining, no? Like for example, when the Philippine Space Agency was created, actually, PSERDO has a lot of hand in making that law that created the Philippine Space Agency. Kasi sabi namin noon, dami na nating project sa space, no? Literally, so kailangan na natin ng sariling institution. So that's the kind